All right, let's talk about a pretty radical way to deal with burnout.
He was so far gone that a normal vacation just wasn't going to cut it. He needed something more.
So, what did he do? He flew to Fiji to try something wild, combining two big scientific ideas.
First, let's get what burnout actually is. It's not just a bad mood, it's real biological chaos.
Basically, his body was stuck in fight or flight mode. Hormones were a mess, sleep was gone. So his mission was this double reset. The idea? Fight burnout from the inside and the outside.
And here's the two-pronged attack: a 48-hour fast for his cells and using the ocean to calm his brain. The goal? Starve the stress on a cellular level while simultaneously calming his nerves. A 1-2 punch. So how did this 48-hour ordeal actually play out? Let's check out the timeline.
But man, that 24-hour mark was rough. Headaches, hunger, that's your body fighting the fuel switch.
But this was where Fiji came in. The sound of waves, the sand, it helped him push through.
And then the breakthrough. Around hour 36, the brain fog just vanished, replaced by incredible focus. So what was happening? First, ketosis. His brain was now burning fat for fuel, which is way more stable.
And second, autophagy kicked in. Think of it like a deep clean for your cells, taking out the trash. And it all clicked. The internal fasting was getting a huge boost from the external calm of the ocean. The transformation was just incredible. In 48 hours, he went from scattered and anxious to calm and clear.
But here's the thing, you don't actually need to go to Fiji to do this.
It's all about the principles. Create a break, find your calm space, and just subtract. Simple, right?
Look, this protocol is what worked for him, but everyone's different. So I'm curious, what works for you?